What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Vonleshia, founder and creator of Dime Diva Branding, where we cater to e-commerce entrepreneurs and content creators trying to build their brands on a dime. Today, we're going to talk about how to create your Canva website banner. Just like the pros, just like you can do in Adobe. So, if you're trying to create a banner and you want to do it on a budget, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so now look, we are inside of Canva, okay? And Canva is one of the easiest software tools, design software tools to use if you are, you want something simple, you want it to be easy, and you're trying to create something, but you want it to look good. One of the things that I tell all my clients is that you have to be very, very careful. There's a fine line between DIY and come on now, you should have hired someone. You don't want it to look like that, and you want people to go to your website and like what they see. Be like, oh my God, this, you can put this against some major cosmetic e-commerce stores. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at, or I'm gonna show you actually how to design a simple homepage banner. Your banner that will show at the top of your page when people first go to it, how to make it look good. And you don't have to have your own images. We're going to use stock images. We're going to do it right in Canva. So grab your computer. You can even go along with me, okay? Canva is free to download. Of course, there are premium tools that if you're paying for the premium account that you'll be able to access, but you can do this with just the free, okay? So the first thing that we want to do is you want to go into, you're gonna click here, and you want to scroll down and find custom all the way at the bottom. Custom dimensions. Now, I'm going to give you the standard design dimensions for a homepage banner. It typically will work for all Shopify and Wix websites. And it's you can adjust it in most of the website hosts. So you're going to want to put in the width 1350 here, and then the height you'll do 500. Okay? That's going to be your custom dimensions. And then you will click on Create New Design. And it will come up, okay? And you'll see some here. So if you wanted to, you could use those. We're not going to do that. We're going to start with a blank design. And I am not going to add any crazy stuff. Sometimes when we're designing for a client's website, we add different graphics and things to it. But I am going to just do a basic homepage banner that will still look very nice for, we're going to do one for a hair website, hair cosmetic, bundles or extensions website. If you guys want me to do a more advanced one after watching this, let me know. So you'll click here to change the color. You'll go here. We're going to just make this black, okay? We're going to make it black. And so that's how you change the color, okay? You'll come over now and you're going to want to click on elements. And you'll see different things there. Well, no. Let's do uploads first. So we will go through and we will, I changed my mind again. Sorry guys. We are going to do elements. So we will click on shapes, okay? And you see those shapes there. I want you to scroll down and I want you to find whatever shape. We're going to use this one here. And we are going to put that there. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing. We're going to duplicate it. And we're going to bring it here. Now, you come down here and you can just rotate that to how you want it to be. Straighten it out there, okay? And so that's just gonna be our first portion of it. And we're gonna change the color here. And so typically our clients love pink and black and those kinds of things. So we're gonna just make these a pink. Decide which pink we want to use. Let's make it that like hot pink color, okay? And so that's what we have so far. And that is so I want you to go through, follow along with me and do that, okay? Now we're gonna add our images that's our next thing. We're gonna add images to our banner. Alrighty. Okay, wait a second, guys. So I know I said that the next thing we were gonna do is add an image. And I know you're probably like, this damn girl is all over the place. But listen, one of the things that we get a lot when clients come to us to design their websites is glitter, glitter, glitter. So if you're one of those people, this is for you. I'm going to show you, because Canva is a very basic software for design. There's not a lot of glitter and different things that you can do to add glitter within the software. So that's not going to look, like what the heck. You don't want it to look like a novice did it. You don't want it to look basic. You want it to look nice. So I'm going to show you a trick that you can do. So we'll just put, because we have that black and pink, we'll put gold, glitter, background. There it is. Look at us. And then you'll see all of these pop up, okay? So now let's click on images for gold glitter background, and let's see what we can find here. Ooh, that one looks good. So we're going to save as to our computer, and we'll put gold, okay? And we're just gonna save that. Now we're gonna go back over here to Canva. We have our design open, and then we will hit uploads, okay? You see uploads down there? You're gonna upload an image. You are going to click on your downloads or whatever, and you'll start typing in whatever you saved it as, okay? And there it goes. I'm singing to y'all. Okay, and it pops up. Boom. So now, after that finishes, don't ever click on it while it's loading, because what will happen is it'll give you an error message. So it's done. We're going to click on it. And we're going to play with this a little bit. What can we do? What can we do to add a little sparkle? You want a little boom. Boom like a NATO. Anybody remember that song? Why am I showing my age? Okay, so listen, you are going to go here. And then you're going to just come down, and we're just doing something quick and play with this right here. Okay, now we've added some glitter to your banner. We're going to duplicate that and do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Okay? If I can move it, because I'm tripping today. Okay, there it is. Now, we're going to come back and do the same thing here. We want it to be the same size. And then there, you have added glitter to your banner. Very simple, very cute. Give you a little glitter. You didn't have to pay a whole bunch of money for it, right? So now, what about our images? Okay, we're going to add images. We're already in uploads. And we're going to come down. So say you have, here we go. Ooh, she's cute. She's cute, but she has a background on her. And we don't want to use her like that, right? No, we don't. And let's see if we're going to use her or if we will use someone else before I show you how to. And you're just going to scroll. And as you can see, we have so many images that we utilize all the time. So I'm trying to find one that is, and I don't want to find one that already has a background off. So we'll use this one, okay? Just for the design's sake, okay? We're going to click on her and we're going to go to effects. We are going to remove the background. Give it some time. It's going to do its little thing here and it will remove the background. Ooh, there she is. Now we are not going to keep her on the black. We're going to bring her over here and sit her down. Okay? And there she is. Now if we wanted to, we can play with her a little bit. We can duplicate her and bring her back over here as well. And then we might want to flip her around, okay? And so maybe we want her on both sides, okay? We can do that. And there's your image, okay? Now what we are going to do is we're going to add words to our banner, okay? Okay. So now we want to add some words. This is going to be the first thing that visitors see when they come to your website. When they come to your online store, this banner is like boom at the top. So let's say here, and we are utilizing only what we have access to here in Canva as far as the software, the design elements. One thing I want to make sure to say, guys, is make sure that the images you use, if they're not your own images, they are licensed stock images. So like, for example, this is a free stock image that we found on one of the websites that we use. If you are not getting free stock images, you can always use Adobe. There are a few other ones that you can use, and you can pay $3 or $5 for the image and you can use it. But make sure that they are free stock images or licensed stock images. You don't want to get into legal battles with anybody for using their images, okay? So when we're adding the words, let's see what we have in elements. Ooh, this is one that I like. So we are in our recently used elements, okay? And we're going to use that gorgeous, and look at that. That's already created for us. We don't have to do anything else, okay? If we wanted to, okay, we could change the colors. For example, you see here, we can click and change it if we wanted to, but I don't want to. I like that pink, okay? We're gonna use, and that's a pretty neon, beautiful, okay? And then we're gonna go here and we're gonna add text. And so it comes with, loaded with different fonts, okay? And we're just gonna put hair here. We're gonna leave that white. Now I do wanna change the font style, so let's play with it a little bit. Let's see here. There's one that I like, okay. And I'm just gonna bring that down. Play with it however you want. Remember, this is your banner. You can design it however you want to. You can play with that. You can change the fonts. You can use fonts that they have here. But you have created just that fast a banner that you can now take and you can add to your website, okay? You can add this to your Wix website. You can add this to your Shopify website. It's very simple. It looks dope as hell, okay? And you didn't have to pay a lot of money. A lot of times, guys, I know what it's like to be just getting started, bootstrapping, and you don't have a lot of money. So you have to do a lot of things yourself. But you want to present a good product and a good image to your customers. You can't be just putting up anything because people are not going to buy into it, okay? Image is everything. And so what you want to do here, let me get off my soapbox, okay? You're just going to, you can save this as whatever you want. We're going to save it as Hair Banner 2020. You want to wait until this changes to all changes saved, okay? You come back over here. You're going to come down here. And you are going to just download. PNG is the best format to do it in, okay? You're going to download that. It's going to prepare your design, and then it's going to download it for you, and boom. You can then go upload that, and if you guys want to see more videos, like if you want me to do a whole video on how to design your website within Canva, only using Canva, I will definitely do that. If you want me to show you a more advanced banner, I'll do that as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what else you want to see. And I'll be back with more videos. Love you guys. Bye.